Hello guys, this here is a Lloyd's flip clock. Here you see the model number 1J6 1G-1318. Got this on eBay for $20. Very good condition, was working perfectly. Today we just fixed the light that goes behind the tuner. This is nice. This is in perfect working order. Here, sides, nice wood grain finish. On the back. Look up here, we got your alarm, your radio, and your FM to AM toggle, as well as a sleep. Yep. Right here we have the alarm, where you can change it over here with this knob. Change it to whatever your time. Then you just press. Alright, you go off at your time. Of course, you have your flip counter, clock itself. And it'll flip at some point. You have your indicator, which tells you that your clock, well, I guess it's still working. When I first got this, actually, it was moving extremely slowly. We saw it was broken. Yeah, I mean, it was out in the cold for a while, so I guess it would make sense. But it moves quite fast. And then you got your tuner. On the right here, just found this today as a while. A switch for the radio, and to switch to radio alarm or the buzzer. I'll show the buzzer later. And to set the clock, you'd use this black dial right here. But I find it very difficult to change. You have to keep going around. If you go too far, then you have to go all the way around, or just unplug it for a while. But yeah, I'll show you the radio. Nice light up display. Fixed that today. Looks great, I have to say. Also, you see there's a light in there, an amber light. That was working. Got the volume. Very sensitive. Very sensitive. Tune it. Very cheap. Sounds great. Love this radio. It really has good sound quality. Probably one of the best clock radios I've heard. And you just turn it off. Nice. Okay, so now we'll demonstrate the buzzer alarm. Let's see. We switch this to buzzer now. Okay. Now we would get this down as well as this. I don't know why, but it just requires you to. Then we'll just move this. I'll just have it go off right then and there. Let me see where we are. Also, as you saw, that looks like the radio also comes on, saying that it's all connected to the speaker. Looks like the light bulb is connected to the speaker as well. Quite a nice radio, I have to say. Very good condition, very minimal scratches, and hopefully it will last for a while. Loved it so far. And we are planning to get another one. It's a General Electrics. So, as soon as that comes in, we gotta video that up. We'll be all set. I think it looks great. Love this. Oh. Subscribe for more, and see you later.